So now I want to show you using the flat Bodhi stone. These ones we have in green jade, beige jade and black jade. So this stone I find works really well on the head. So I like to use that to massage the scalp and also around the temple area. So since we're working on stress areas to relieve a horrible tension headache, I'm going to start with the upper trapezius with this stone, but then I'm quickly going to move into the head. So again, I'm supporting the front of her head, and then we can come in and do a couple of sweeps along the upper trapezius, up into the neck. Now when you're working through the neck, you'll notice that I move up and I hold. So again, we're really working on reducing any tension at the back of the skull. Then we're going to come around the head. So what you must do is anchor the stone down on the scalp. Really anchor it down and then do rotations. Really important that you don't just do a hair massage, it's a scalp massage. So you must anchor that stone down strong. Go slow, slow is better. Then we move a little more towards the temple. And then again. And then we get to the temple, and this is where we do nice, not so hard, but nice, gentle rotations. And off.